Hey everyone, Gloria Walker here, and in this video, I'm going to discuss Google Ads versus SEO and the best strategies for 2021 and beyond. Now, in this video, obviously, I will discuss some of the most common problems you may face using both methods and some solutions to help you overcome them. In fact, in a moment, I'm going to also share my top recommendation that will get you free ads on the front page of Google. So let's get started. Now, in order to compare these two, I want to make sure you have a firm understanding of what they actually are. Google Ads is an online pay-per-click advertising platform where advertisers go to bid on certain keywords and so that their ads will show up in the Google search engine. SEO, on the other hand, targets unpaid traffic, which is also broken down into either direct traffic or organic traffic, which is influenced by that user's behavior, okay? Now, just to go a little bit deeper, that individual enters a website or landing page using a referral link. Organic traffic means that that person typed in a keyword or a phrase. So a user's behavior can be influenced by certain SEO tags, improving the engagement or optimization or backlinks or page speed, okay? How fast your website may upload into the search engine, okay? So why is all this important? The reason why all this is important is because Google processes over 5.5 billion searches per day, okay? Google nearly generates $35 billion in ad revenue. So what that means for you is that there are plenty of opportunities to get your products and your services in front of the right eyes, okay? So with that being said, here are some of the Google Ad pros. Using Google Ads will give you quick results. You can start your first campaign in a matter of days and start receiving traffic immediately, okay, with little to no overwhelm. If you use Google Ads, you can retarget those people who don't buy from you. There may be some states that you can't retarget, so I just want to put that out. I'm not a lawyer, but I just want to put that out. And also, Google Ads are measurable, and they also build brand awareness. Now, here are some cons to using Google Ads. Okay, they are super expensive. They don't start off being expensive, but they can be expensive over time. They require lots of testing, monitoring, and maintenance. Finding the right keywords can be a struggle and at times require additional tools. And Google Ads require ongoing payments to keep your ads running. Google Ads is not a one and done solution. You have to continue to have a monthly budget to keep your ads up. In order to be successful in 2021 and beyond, as of today, we are currently in a pandemic, a global pandemic. Okay, so should you take the Google Ads route, I've listed additional sections to Google's ads policy, okay? And these were added to give you guidance during the pandemic. Okay, so you definitely want to review each of these sections to make sure that you are playing by Google's rules, and to also let you know that there are free resources available to seek additional information as needed. Some of the pros to using SEO is it's free, okay? You can't be free. The only expense you may have is hiring an SEO manager to handle your SEO tasks, should you not want to do it yourself, okay? I know as marketers out there, we get overwhelmed really quick because we tend to wear more than one hat, okay? Now, organics, now I talked about organic earlier. Organic searches converts better than ads because of the trust factor that comes with organic searches. And if your landing page or your website is positioned on the first page of Google, you could receive a steady flow of great and hot prospects ready to buy. Now, some of the SEO cons are, in order to receive success with this particular method, it will take some time.
3 weeks later.
4 to 6 weeks later. 6 months later. Several months later.
Many months later.
Will grow, and once you get to that certain sweet spot, you will dominate in your area and become the authority. Okay, Google loves authority. SEO takes longer, but the results are worth the wait. And with that being said, the same goes for ROI, return on your investment. That typically takes anywhere from 6 months or longer. SEO typically takes 6 months or longer for new websites to gain traction in the search results, okay? Because you have to show Google that you are the authority. You know, you're not just a spam website. You are adding value. So it's safe to say the same will go for your sales numbers and Google penalties. Okay, so no one knows when Google comes out with their updates. However, your site may be one of the ones that get hit with heavy penalties if you are not providing valuable content and you're not playing by Google's rules. Okay. So that being said, if you decide to outsource any of your SEO tasks, make sure to work with a reputable company that follows the rules. Back in 2011, Google came out with the Panda update, okay? And some people refer to the Panda update as the farmer's update. When that update came out, a lot of content mills or content farms were wiped out. They're no longer around. Some of you may remember the Possum update, and that update was meant to diversify the local search results. That was back in 2013, and that weeded out a lot of people. Google also had the Hummingbird update. It was meant to improve the user's search intent. So, before you decide on your approach, ask yourself, what are you willing to give up? Are you willing to give up your time, or are you willing to give up money? Or are you willing to give up both? Okay, because if you have money to burn, maintaining a successful ads campaign can set you back thousands and thousands of dollars every month. And that will depend on your keywords and your industry. But the bottom line is, but you will spend money. So if you don't have that type of money, are you willing to give up your time? And like I said, it's going to take you 6 months, at least 6 months, up to several years to see any type of traction. Or you can check out my #1 recommendation to get free ads on the front page of Google, and is guaranteed to rank any product or service within 24 hours. I will put that link down below. So let me know in the comments below if you've tried using Google Ads and what has been your experience using SEO. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.